Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this quick tutorial, I explain how to make ChatGPT your default search engine in Google Chrome. If you are one of the people who frequently use ChatGPT for quick answers, learning, or even creative help, this tutorial will show you how to integrate it seamlessly into your browser for a smoother experience. So let's start step by step. To set up ChatGPT as your default search engine in Chrome, open Google Chrome and click on the three horizontal dots at the top right of the page, and from menu select Extensions. And from there, click Visit Chrome Web Store. Then click on Extensions and in the search bar, type ChatGPT Search. From the search results, click on Extension. Then click on the Add to Chrome button. The extension will now start installing to the browser. A pop-up window will appear. Confirm the installation by clicking on Add Extension and wait for a few seconds until the installation and addition are complete. Once installed, the extension icon will appear in the browser toolbar and it will quickly disappear again. So click on the extension sign in the upper right corner and click on the pin next to ChatGPT Search to permanently pin it to the browser toolbar. Now I will test the new search engine. It should work automatically in Chrome. So open a new Chrome tab and type a query directly into the search bar as you normally would in Google Chrome. You should see results generated by ChatGPT appear instead of traditional Google search results, as ChatGPT will now perform the search instead of Google search. It is better to log in to your ChatGPT account to provide better results. And in case you want to remove the ChatGPT extension from the Chrome browser, click on the extensions icon in the upper right corner. And next to the ChatGPT extension, click on the three dots and click on Manage Extensions. Then click on My Extensions from the left, and on the right side, you will find all your extensions on Chrome. And to remove ChatGPT, click on the Remove button. And for your information, using ChatGPT as your default search engine can unlock some amazing benefits. You will get direct responses generated by artificial intelligence to your queries without having to navigate between multiple links. It is fast, smart, and extremely useful for everyday tasks. Whether you use it for learning, productivity, or just to facilitate the browsing experience, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that you should have at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future tutorials and tech tips. Your support helps us provide you with more valuable content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.